The marketplace for backhoe loaders has changed. Owners and operators expect much more for their money. More productivity, more versatility, more comfort, more accessibility for daily checks. Comparing features of the Volvo BL71 with the JCB P21 Contractor backhoe reveals several differences. JCB offers best-in-class advantages in operator environment, backhoe performance, loader performance, drivetrain, mainframe, and serviceability. Today, operators are looking for the best in working environments, ergonomically designed, well-ventilated cabs with low noise levels. JCB has invested heavily in producing the best in operator comfort. Comparing the JCB to the Volvo, there are significant differences. On the JCB, there is plenty of room to rotate the seat, even when wearing heavy work boots. Volvos claim there is ample leg and foot room, even when turning the seat. But, as you can see, the wheel wells protrude into the cab, trapping the operator's feet between the base and the well. Once facing the backhoe, JCB has low-effort short-throw backhoe controls. On the Volvo, the levers interfere with the operator's knees when fully selected, requiring the operator to adjust the seat rearwards once again, resulting in restricted visibility into the trench. Operators can spend up to 80% of their time using the backhoe, therefore good cab ventilation here is essential. JCB offers B-pillar mounted vents as standard on their deluxe cabs, providing controllable ventilation. Couple this with the opening side windows and the operator is ready for any environment. When the weather turns cold, being able to defrost the machine is important too. That's why JCB fits both front, side, B-post and rear defrosters to all their cab machines. Volvo only offers 2 front windshield vents and 2 rears. That's all. Finally, what happens at night or during bad weather? The JCB operator has 4 fully adjustable work lights, both front and rear. The Volvo only offers 2 as standard, yet again 4 lights are an option. The noise level in the JCB is 73 decibels. Compare this to the Volvo's 76. Doesn't sound like much, but it makes the world of difference on operator comfort after an 8-hour day. Better overall comfort levels for the JCB operator result in greater productivity. Volvo has one-piece fenders that protrude into the cab. Damaging them could prove to be very expensive in parts and downtime to repair or replace. Let's test each machine side by side, digging a 4-foot deep trench from full reach. We need to look at the amount of times that the Volvo has to be repositioned. We will come back to that later. When comparing boom locks, Volvo uses a remote system which, when damaged, could become inoperative. The JCB system is manual and simple to release. Unique to JCB is the option of power slide. This allows you to very simply reposition the excavator from one side of the machine to the other, reducing damage to the surrounding surfaces and saving time. Once again, Volvo do not offer this option. Comparing backhoe design, the Volvo have gone for a 40%-60% split, the boom being the longer, whereas the JCB design gives a 50%-50% equal boom and dipper size. The Volvo does have a greater ground level reach, but the JCB can dig in closer to the boom, making it more productive. There is a big difference in the design of the booms. Volvo offer a boxed boom, meaning all hose routes have to run on top of the boom by way of exposed steel pipes. A problem with one of these would be costly. With the JCB open box system, all hoses run through the boom, allowing for good protection and short hose routes. The Volvo's departure angle is less than that of the JCB, causing problems when going over obstacles and when loading and unloading from a lorry. Exposed hoses on the underside and around the excavator valve block are clearly very long and vulnerable to snags from debris encountered during the digging cycle. This can equate to costly downtime. JCB offer a precision control option on the contractor. The operator uses servo seat-mounted controls and can move seamlessly between Backhoe and 360 excavator. The finished trench shows some interesting results. The Volvo started with an 8-inch reach advantage, but when we measured the trench, the JCB has dug an extra 12 inches. But why? On closer inspection, it is easy to see that the JCB can dig closer to the machine. JCB's traditional backhoe design actually can undercut the king post and dig a longer trench. The result is increased productivity. Good news for the JCB operator. But what about the loader end? Today, backhoe loaders are increasingly being used for a variety of applications. Versatility is the name of the game. JCB features a 1.1 cubic meter 6-in-1 loader bucket as standard equipment. The proven bent loader arm design allows the operator to easily load a high-sided truck, making the JCB a serious production loader. JCB offers optional integral 𝐘𝐿 forks. This allows for much improved vision to the fork tips and also gives you a 2-ton lift capacity. This is also a unique system to JCB. The Volvo is fitted with 3-ram geometry. This obstructs the operator's view, introduces twisting forces at the corners of the bucket and does not provide good breakout forces. JCB's mechanical parallel lift loader gives excellent payload retention. Volvo offers an electric over hydraulic system, which offers smooth but a less reliable installation. JCB load retention around site is further improved with the JCB Smooth Ride system, standard with all JCB contractors. This is an option only on the Volvo, proving again that the JCB is the true production tool. JCB's loader utilizes twin loader controls with JCB's patented third spool shadowing mechanism. The good ergonomic design makes life more comfortable for the operator. Volvo has a servo loader with unmatched feel and control. The operator needs to have low lever efforts and good ergonomics. The third spool on the Volvo is a twist operation, which is both uncomfortable and tiring. Volvo, however, does offer a loader-controlled forward-reverse for added comfort when rehandling. Now let's turn our attention to the drivetrain. A drivetrain is only as good as its components. The JCB features a range of engines from 83 to 100 diesel engines. JCB designs and manufactures all of its own transmissions, either synchro shuttle or power shift, or the market-leading 6-speed auto shift. Volvo's D4 DCBE1 engine produces 94 horsepower, but this only represents half of the story. Volvo buys its four-wheel drive axles from Carraro, an Italian manufacturer. The same manufacturer that 𝐘𝐿 uses, which is the same axle that 𝐘𝐿 had significant in-field service issues with. JCB manufacture their own axles and transmission designed to match each application, meaning we can support all service requirements within JCB. We also offer a 6-speed transmission which allows fast gear change without losing power momentum on gradient. Though first and second gear ratios provide excellent tractive effort for loading and site stripping. But the JCB benefits do not stop there. JCB offers the unique transmission mode switch. This allows the operator to select 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive braking for use in traffic. It automatically engages the 4-wheel drive when the brakes are applied, resulting in true 4-wheel braking. The Volvo does not offer a brake mode switch, choosing to stay in 4-wheel drive braking all of the time. The Volvo brakes do not have servo-assisted fitted, making stopping the machine a tiring job, especially when rehandling. Volvo's steering rod is mounted at the rear of the front axle. You can see that their hoses run along the underside of the engine. The JCB's steer hoses run high and are well protected from site damage. We looked at machine mainframes, the similarities and differences. Both machines have utilized mainframes with integrated welded fabrications, but that's where the similarities stop. While we're considering durability, consider some other areas of the machine in detail. On Volvo cab units, the rear window wiper is powered by an automotive connector. This connector is not sealed against dust or water. This could give you a possible problem. JCB connectors are all to the IP69 standard. This means they are sealed against all work site conditions, including pressure washing. Our points of difference would not be complete without reference to the hydraulic systems used by both manufacturers. JCB utilizes twin gear pumps, but JCB offers its operators the flexibility of controlling flow and power at the flick of a switch. Volvo's piston pump gives slow operation, resulting in a loss of production. Hydraulic speed control, or HSC, on the JCB allows the operator to select one pump or two. One pump when operating the backhoe around electrical cables or when he requires sensitive operation. One pump when he wants to maximize power to the wheels during loading or roading operations. And two pumps when he wants maximum speed and the fastest cycle times when bulk excavating. Simply, Volvo does not offer their customers this ability. JCB also offers more hydraulic flow and greater system pressures. The net result is greater productivity, which is yet again great news for the JCB customer. Finally, a review of the two machines would not be complete without a look at serviceability and routine maintenance. JCB recently completed some extensive market research. The major results were: group all the daily checks together and make these checks simple to complete. If they are too complicated or require tools, they simply will not get done. With this in mind, let's look at both machines in detail. JCB has all of its daily checks and fill-ups under the hood. In terms of battery checks, JCB has its battery mounted within the hard front nose, which allows for excellent protection and good access for service. Volvo's battery is within the near side step that is very vulnerable to dirt. The battery tray is also very heavy and difficult to pull out, especially when the step gets damaged, making servicing difficult. The hydraulic filter on the Volvo is located under the machine, which means it is difficult to service. It is positioned between the chassis and the transmission. It protrudes and is unprotected. As a result, it is extremely vulnerable to site debris and damage. The JCB hydraulic filter is located inside the hydraulic tank and is therefore not only well protected, but also easy to service. No climbing under a JCB to change a filter. Finally, the hydraulic tank on the Volvo is located between the loader tower and behind the prime heat source of the engine, the filler in on top of the loader tower, making filling or topping up a difficult operation. Also on the Volvo, the hydraulic level gauge is located under the bonnet, which means you have to be constantly climbing up and down the machine to check levels. The JCB sight gauge is located on the side of the tank, making checking of the level as you top up very easy. So, in conclusion, yes, all backhoe loaders can dig a hole, But we've shown you today some distinct advantages of the JCB product. In the operators area, JCB offers class-leading operator comfort, excellent ventilation in all weather conditions, lower in-cab noise levels. On the Backhoe, JCB offers better departure angles, standard, excellent backhoe control and feel, giving unmatched productivity, longer trenching ability, standard. On the loader, JCB features parallel lift and lower system that works, an operator-friendly third auxiliary lever. Mainframe, JCB features powertrain protection, standard, structural strength. On the powertrain, JCB features components designed and built by JCB, standard, two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive braking mode selection switch, standard. On the hydraulics, JCB features hydraulic speed control, standard. Full flow and pressure hydraulics for trench digging, performance and productivity. On serviceability, operator-friendly daily checks, standard. So when it comes to buying a backhoe loader, there is only one choice: JCB.